friends, welcome back to my channel. So I have a project share today. You guys know I'm on Lisa's team for Happy Crafters Shop, and one of my design team projects, I just jumped in as soon as I got her kit for this month. It actually worked out so perfect for the colors that I was using. So lucky me. I had this paper pad here that I picked up last month, at the end of last month, I believe. And so I was going to make a little sand bucket. You guys also know that I'm part of Erica's design team from ScrapDiva Designs. And so I have this sand bucket that it's going to be probably almost a year now that it's been out. Anyways, it just got restocked, so perfect timing too. But I was wanting to follow Tamara's sand bucket that she did for Easter. And she took the side panels, as you can see it here, and she took one of the side panels and cut two up and glued them together. And so her little bucket was really wide. And when I was making mine, I was kind of looking at it like it's not that wide, like it doesn't feel that it's as big as hers. But then I realized that I went and cut 2 inches paper in length and did not realize until I went back to like double check and realized she used two of the little pieces here together. So I think it's probably, it looks like it's over an inch in size, each of the panels. So, but you know, I already had cut it, so I just said, okay, well, the next one I do, which I will make another one because I have another idea. So anyways, I did not add any side of the little handles because I want to just leave it like this. And my goal is to see if I can get it to fit in this really cool iridescent bag. And then I made this super cute little bow topper that I want to fold and stick on top. I did the small one because I wasn't paying attention, and I already had cut it and then realized, wait, I needed the big one, but oh, you know how it goes sometimes. Anyways, I love this paper. It is so cute. It's got the pastels, and it worked out perfect with the beads that Lisa sent me. And so I didn't add any to this, but I did add it to my other project. So I will share that with you guys. So this is the little sand bucket. It's a 3D sand bucket. It just got restocked. And I haven't added, I don't think I'm going to add anything to the panels here on the side because I love this rainbow paper. I think it's so cute. But I did cut up one of the little 3x4 sheet here and ended up doing like the pail comes, or the bucket comes with a piece that does the shaker component. And so I put it over the card and it gave me the perfect cutout. And so then I just glued it down. I don't know if I'm going to add flowers here. I kind of don't want it to be bulky because I want it to fit inside the bag. But I just love the way this looks. So I'm going to add more to this. Like I need to add a little bit of grass in there. And I think I'm going to add something else because it kind of feels a little like plain, kind of not as full. But anyways, I was working on this when I got the kit, and the little watering can just fit so perfect. And so I was like, yay, you know, super excited about that. You know, it's the little things. And the watering can is one of the 3x4 greeting card element sheet that comes with the pad. And so I fussy cut it out and then used this as a little, you know, just that element of wording that it needed. And then I added more butterflies, but I think I'm going to add another one down here because I feel like it's uneven. And then I added these little flowers. They just come from Hobby Lobby and Michael's, just random little flowers that the paper flowers. Then I added this charms here, and these are all the newest charms or beads that I got from Lisa's shop. The flower cabochon, the little mini flower, I added it to the little clear clasp piece with some E600 glue. And then I just been wire wrapping all the beads up. I did go out and have to buy bead caps because I did not have anything. And the small seed beads, I didn't want to keep adding them because I wanted, you know, like this, you know, because I really wanted just the bead itself. So I did find them on Amazon. And also I think I picked some up on AliExpress like last month and they came in. I think it took them like 2 weeks to come in. Okay, now I don't even know where to begin. I used Erica's keychain holder for this. I haven't tied it down, so it's holding up pretty well. I like that. So that's cool. I used all beads from the last 2 kits that I got from Lisa. So I made these little safety clip beads, or charms I should say, with the frosted flower. I did add this charm from Joann's that I picked up on their sale last, and this little one that I found in my stash that I think was part of a swap. And then I added some of her pumpkin beads, which I think she sold out of these, but she still has a lot of these beads. These are so pretty. Just matched up so perfectly in the waffle heart. And then she had these iridescent bows the last time. I did just recently get the butterfly bow. It's hot pink, but I threw it in there because I thought it'd be cute. I don't know, I just love it. This yellow one's new, and then I made a few other ones. Like this one, I just went ahead and used some more of that. Just super cute charms and beads that she has in her shop. And then I made these embellishments, and I added more of her charms and the little beads that she had sent me. And then I used Erica's newest butterfly rosette die. I just love it. I love it. I think I've been using it on every project that I've been playing with. It's just so cute. The edge flower here, I did use these little flower, I think they're called hibichi beads. I want to say I picked them up at Michael's when I was looking for some others. I can't remember what I was there for, but it wasn't recently. It was like maybe last month. And then I just added some extra little pieces there to kind of have the colors pop. But I really like these rosettes, you guys. Everybody that's, you know, on her team has been making the prettiest rosettes. I just love them. And then I don't know if you guys just saw my Instagram reel. I actually just posted it here on YouTube as well. I made these bead holders using the Dollar Tree bubble stick. So the wand actually just pops out, guys. You don't even have to cut it. You just yank it out. This is her flower cabochon. I added a foam piece to it because it's kind of curved, and so it would not glue, and I didn't want to glue it down completely, because this also gives whoever I give it to the ability to take this off and add their own if they want to change it up. And this is just a sticker from one of those illustration stickers that I have, a sticker book that I have. And then these are the big jumbo beads that she just gave me in this last set, and oh my gosh, I just love the way they fit in there. The other Dollar Tree bubble stick from Valentine's Day, oh, I have it right here. It is not as wide, just FYI, if you bought these from the last time. They'll fit these other ones, but they won't fit these big ones. I tried it, so that's why I ended up using the green one, this one here, and added the blue flower cabochon, and same thing, added the little foam sticker. But I just love the way these turned out. And I did go and purchase, like I said, the little bead caps. I bought it on Amazon. It was this kit here. I think it was like $8 or $7, and I added all these little extra. It comes with little different ones, so each of them will be different, but now I can send them in some happy mail. So that is my project. I will link everything that I used in the description box. You guys know for Lisa's shop, this is my discount code, PinkApe10. And head over to her Instagram, because she posts a lot of the design team members, and also hashtag Happy Crafter Shop, I think has been kind of taken off, and you can find more inspirations on how to use the beads. Lots and lots of different ways to add them to your crafts. And I just, oh my gosh, I love these. They worked out so perfect. So thank you guys for watching. Please come back. I'll have some more projects pretty soon. Bye.